is Sejal and we are from 8th standard and we are excited to present our project that is Ecodynamics. It explains how air, wind and water work together to maintain the balance of our nature. Green energy produces clean and renewable energy from the sources like wind, sun and air. It reduces the pollution and save our environment and also produce sustainable power for the future. This is hydrogen powered solar panel. It converts sunlight into electricity using solar cells. The extra energy used to split water into hydrogen gas, which is stored as a cleaner fuel. This system is eco-friendly because it does not produce any pollution and harmful gases. This is solar tree. A solar tree is a structure that uses solar panel arranged like leaves and branches. It saves the space and also produces clean electricity and serves as a symbol of green energy and sustainability. This is helical wind. It works on the idea of spiral-shaped blades that spins with low wind speed also and turns that motion into electricity. It is very quiet, small in size and can be used on the rooftops and near highways. This kind of energy is clean and do not pollute our environment. We can make this using PVC pipes, plastic sheets, a motor and a stand to hold it upright. This is steel lights. Now you know very well steel lights runs on clean energy using solar panels and other things. These solar steel lights can be stored in the battery and runs with its energy. This is eco-friendly system because it does not produce anything and save environment and save electricity. This is solar power car. These uses solar cell on its surface to convert sunlight into electricity. Instead of using fossil fuels, this car uses sunlight to convert into electricity and use as a fuel. Making them environment friendly. It does not produce carbon emissions or pollution. This is wireless car charging on the move. Specially prepared car charging paired under the road send electricity to the car through electromagnetic induction wirelessly. So when the car drives, the car is being charged through the sensors and this makes the electric cars more convenient and safe to use. This is windmills. The windmills turn wind into green electricity. It stores the energy in the battery and it runs with its generators it is eco-friendly and produce nothing. It is very good for our nature.